Myself, Dr. Kapse Valmik Shamrao, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya, Karjat, District, Ahmednagar. Today we will see the topic aromatic hydrocarbons. In aromatic hydrocarbon, let's see electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. First reaction is nitration of benzene. A nitro group is introduced into the benzene ring when benzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, that is nitrating mixture. Benzene plus HNO3 plus H2SO4 at 50 degrees Celsius gives nitrobenzene plus H2O plus HSO4 minus HNO3 plus H2SO4 concentrated solution. It is nitrating mixture. Mechanism. First step, sulfuric acid ionized to produce a proton H2SO4 H plus plus HSO4 minus. Second step, nitrating acid accept a proton in an acid base reaction. Third step is a protonated nitric acid dissociate to form a nitronium ion. Fourth step, the nitronium ion acts as an electrophile and is attracted to the pi electron system of the benzene ring. Fifth step is non-aromatic carbocation that form has its charge delocalized around the ring. Sixth step is the aromaticity of the ring is restabilized by the loss of proton from the carbon to which the nitro group is attached and form benzene ring. Second reaction is halogenation. Arenes react with halogen in presence of Lewis acid like anhydrous APCl3, FeBr3 or AlCl3 to yield haloarenes. Example, benzene ring plus Cl2 in presence of APCl3 gives chlorobenzene. Mechanism of that. For the chlorination of benzene reaction, the electrophile is the Cl plus ion generated by the reaction of the chlorine molecule with ferric chloride, a Lewis acid. Second step is electrophile attach the pi electron system of the benzene ring to form a non-aromatic carbocation. The positive charge on the carbocation that is formed is delocalized through the molecule. Third step is the aromaticity is restored by the loss of proton from the atom to which the bromine atom, that is electrophile, has bonded. Finally, proton react with the FeCl4 minus to generate FeCl3 catalyst and form a product HCl. Third reaction is sulfonation. The replacement of hydrogen atom by a sulfonic acid group in a ring is called sulfonation. It is carried out by the heating benzene with fumic sulfuric acid, that is OLUM. We can see the reaction benzene plus H2SO4 fuming with concentrated H2SO4 gives benzene sulfonic acid. Mechanism. To produce benzene sulfonic acid from benzene, fuming sulfuric acid and sulfuric trioxides are added. Fuming sulfuric acid, also referred to as OLUM, is a concentrated solution of dissolved sulfuric trioxide in sulfuric acid. The sulfur is a sulfur trioxide is electrophile because the oxygen pulls electron away from it because oxygen is very electronegative. The benzene attacks the sulfur to produce benzene sulfonic acid. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When benzene treated with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives alkyl benzene. Friedel-Crafts acylation. The reaction of benzene with acyl halide or acyl anhydride in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3 yield acyl benzene. Side chain oxidation of alkyl benzene. Oxidation of alkyl benzene using KMnO4 in dilute H2SO4 heat under reflux gives benzoic acid. Benzene in KMnO4 heated hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. The observation of this reaction will be delocalized of the purple KNO4 and formation of white precipitate benzoic acid. Thank you.